welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the rainy season of Da Nang. It rained for 2 or 3 days now in a row. And what I mean by that, it's not like it's raining and stopping, just raining and raining. All kind of shapes of rain. Drizzle, hardcore, normal, windy rain, all kinds of rain. But now it stopped a little bit, so I went out straight away. What happened to this tree here? It's also a little bit dangerous here. Look at the wires, even the electric wires connected to this tree. That means if this tree somehow goes down, the electric would go down as well. But those palm trees, or coconut trees actually, they bend a lot. But this bad boy, maybe that's why they trimmed it like that. Alright guys, it is still not cold or something, but it is cooler now. The climate is actually very nice right now. You don't sweat, but you don't freeze. I still have my shorts on, but yeah, there's a little bit of a wind going on. That's why also a few signs are flying around on the floor. But other than that, there's no big storm or anything like that. It's just a rain depression. A rain depression now here, almost at the rainy season. I think now the rainy season has started. Of course, that's the worst thing you can have if you want to have a beach vacation. That's why it's also not safe. Everything after September, there are storms, but now, end of October, oh my God, look at this, look at this, look at this metal thing. If there's a very strong wind, this will be gone. Oh wow, you gotta be careful here guys. They're also prepared here. They took away this thing here, this roof. Yeah, it feels like there were some storm last night maybe. Lots of businesses prepared. Oh my God. It's actually not safe to walk around here, I would say. You hear that? Oh wow. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there is a storm. It's definitely very windy right now. And I don't trust this rusty things here at all. Oh wow. Oh God, this is very strong wind guys. I hope my wind muffle and under my shirt microphone will hand up. But look at this guy. He's on. What is he doing? Okay, so he got up now. Yeah, they're still working on this demolition here. This hotel. If you checked out my video 3 weeks ago or something, there was a whole 9-story building or something like that. A very big one here. They're already done. Be careful here where this lady is walking. Yeah, it's not that safe here with this metal bars here. And look at this. Oh my God. That's why I'm walking on the street, guys. You don't want to be under this thing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. It's gonna go down soon. Dude, you gotta be careful here. Especially all this thing here, because no one really maintains it, because it's like basically a ghost town. And then in combination with the sea wind and the rust, the sea wind makes it rusty and not stable. I would not walk here, guys. I would avoid this whole street, to be honest. When it is stormy, don't walk here. Or walk in the middle of the street or something like that. That's safer than walking next to these metal bars. Let's check out the ocean, guys. I don't know if that was from the storm or if they trimmed it. But yeah, the ocean looks beautiful though. Rough, but beautiful. Obviously no one is in there right now. I think someone put out rice here or whatever. The ocean looks beautiful, but it's definitely rainy season style here. The sand is not white anymore from the rain. No blue skies. You can almost not see Lady Buddha anymore. I still see her. Yeah. It's a random piece of wood here. Lots of pieces of wood are flushed in here. It is very nice and firm here to walk. This is a nice thing. A guy is illegally driving here with his motorbike, probably to fish. They don't do these things when it's good weather. But now nobody is on the beach anyways. There's a piece of plastic, like where you clean the toilet around. It looks like very old already. Yeah, this is the sad thing, right? All the plastics and the trash in the ocean will come here when it's stormy. On the normal season, when it's summer, you will have a clear, beautiful, bluish, greenish ocean. But now, with the storm, things come here. There's just another. I hope this is not from a sunken boat or something like that. This is just a piece of wood like that. Oh God. The climate is very nice right now. It's like a nice wind. It does not rain right now, but it will definitely rain again. I can see a little bit of blue sky over there. There's a little bit of hope. Yeah, I don't know. The rest is very gray, dark gray. And this is what it could look like the whole time until next February, maybe January sometimes. We could also have some few days of sunshine in November like last year. But this is also reality here. Bad weather is normal in the rainy season. And you're just happy to have it sunny one day. And then you're gonna have revenge beaching again. Whenever it is like that for a few days or weeks and the sun comes out, the beach will be packed. Everyone will be out enjoying sun. Yeah. I was in Thailand last week, and that was definitely better. Still rainy season there too, but blue sky and sunny days a lot. All right, guys. So this is also the reason why it's not flooding here in the Antung area, in the main tourist area here. Those thingies here. I think the rainwater goes straight out here. This is how it looks. At least it's working. Yeah, now it's starting to rain again. But I got my umbrella. Always have your umbrella with you guys. Which can also be sometimes not that good because of the wind. Oh God, now it's a mean rain from the side. It still hits my legs. My God. It's also windy now. I gotta go to, oh God. Ah! Look at this. The wind comes from the side. I feel like I'm back in Sweden again. I lived 2 years in Sweden and experienced the nastiest side rain of my life. If you're living close to the coast, or like at least where I was in Gothenburg, you will experience very nasty side rain. In Sweden, the people that wear full body suits also rain pants. Look at, I'm like this now. The rain comes from the back. What is this random couch here? Super random. I'm not gonna walk on this other side anymore, especially when this wind is. There's another sign on the floor. As soon as it's gonna be, the wind is gone and the rain, they will clean up the streets again. But as of now, it's just a little bit stormy. Yeah, there's a wind going on here. And the wind alone is okay, but with this rain, not nice, guys. But this is the reality, guys. If you want to stay here all year long, you have to get used to that. And if not, you gotta go to the next neighboring countries, or you go to the south. Fukuok, I think, is good now. Let me know in the comments. For everyone from Ho Chi Minh City, let me know how it is there now. I could imagine it is better. I also saw some videos of Hanoi. Hanoi I would also prefer right now. I think Hanoi in November, December is magical. I love it. Maybe I should go to Hanoi. Because Hanoi, the only thing I don't like about Hanoi is heat together with the pollution, heat and pollution. And when the heat is gone, and it rains sometimes, but it's not that rainy, I think it's a perfect condition for Hanoi. And then it's very cozy and nice. The fur on the side of the street tastes extra good when it's a little bit colder. Oh. Yeah. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to Hong Kong. Maybe I'm gonna do some videos over there. I think there's perfect weather over there. We'll be in Hong Kong for one day, and we'll be back. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna travel south this year. I will explore Fukuok and maybe Phung Thao. I'm not sure. We need some alternatives to this rainy weather. But yeah, let me know where you are right now and how is the weather at your place. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next walk.